Sup guys, it's your Chichi, and today we are coming to learn something about frequency separation. Yes, so simple. So without wasting my time, please let's get into it and make sure if you are here with me, you have subscribed to the channel so that and hit the notification bell so that if I post something, you'll be notified fast. So without wasting my time, let's get into it. Okay, so first you zoom. You have to zoom into your work and know what is going on there. Yeah, so we see these blemishes. We're gonna get rid of it. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. So first, let's pick our spot healing tool. So you duplicate only one. I know the reason why I'm saying only one because we'll be coming back to it. We'll know. So yeah, just a click and good to go. A click. And please make sure your brush size is not as big, like too much. It should be normal to at least join it very nicely. Because when it's big, I'm going to mess up things. Okay, so the reason why we are doing this, we are clearing the blemishes, is because later on it's going to worry us. So we have to do something about it. And hey, I downloaded this picture. I'll put a link in the description so you can download it and work on it or follow me. Okay, so I think this is okay. I'm not going to do much, just the face. Yeah. Okay, so now let's come back to this layer. Now you duplicate to this one. We're gonna name it color, and this texture. Okay, so then you hide the texture layer, click on the color layer, come to effect, blur, then Gaussian blur. You keep it at a radius where you see there is no texture on your image. So I think 4.4. Okay, let's say 4.4 is okay for me. Choose that. Then after working on the Gaussian blur, you come back to the texture layer. Then you go to image, then you go to apply image. Okay, good. So that is how it should be. But if yours is not like this, you don't see the scale and offset, it's because of the blending. So you just change it to subtract, then you get something like this. You keep this at 2, the offset at 128, then this one too. You choose the color layer, that is for the layer, then this is your source, that is the image, then you click OK. So after you are done with what I just showed you, come to the blend option. We change the blend option to linear light. We're back to our base. So then after that, you group them. Then I'm going to make my FX because I can't type a whole lot. Frequency separation. So okay, so you go to the color layer, you come to your laser tool. It's so simple for you to use. So just highlight wherever we want to work on. At least it shouldn't be all that perfect though, but at least for teaching sake, I'll make it very fast so I can get whatever I want to show you. Okay. Yes. Then you right click, come to Gaussian blur. But you see, you're not going to see anything unless you do it, let's say 3 times or 4 times. So that is where you can see some changes. So yeah, gosh, I'm there. Okay, how many times did I? Okay, so let's keep this. I'm going to keep it like this. Do you know why we have to do it multiples of times? Because the options that we gave at when we were working on the cash and play was 4.4. So if it was to be high, we get it as maybe fast as. But I just want to keep it at 4.4. Then we work on it, normalize this. So let's go to the nose. We're gonna do it this way. In the meantime, let's work on this side. Then cash and play. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me add another one. Okay, so 7. Let's come to the. It shouldn't be. I'm just for teaching sake, so I'm going to be. Really fast, so that I can finish this thing very early, not to waste much of your time. Okay. But I just want you to get the whole picture so that you know how to work on your image. Yeah. And hey, shout out to NY Shot It. NY, you have to bring me some pictures so I work on. Yeah, a brother of mine, very very good. Very very good photography. Okay, so yeah, I just want to cut the things here, so keep it normal. So for the meantime, let's work on this side. So 1, yeah. As you can see, there is a nice change. I'm seeing something very very nice here, and I'm really loving it. Okay, so yeah, really loving it. Okay, let's go again. 1. So let's work on the final part. It's going to be something really short. Don't want to take much of the time. So hope how I'm working here, you guys get it, because I think if you are doing this, meaning you know how to use your Photoshop tools. So I don't want to do a lot. Okay, so yeah, this side. Okay, there's okay, let me add another one. Okay, so yeah, so this is our image. Very nice. So let's see the before, and after. Something nice, very there. That is very very nice. Something very very nice with it. So there is it. I don't want to go far. I don't want to go to the body and stuff. I just want to work on the face. Good. Then let's work on the eye whitening. But then I have this strategy that I'm going to use. I feel it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. So let's duplicate this background. Bring it to the top. You should be very careful. Don't let it fall between here. It should be at the top. Okay. Then so we are back to our normal picture. You go to your image level. I choose level. Okay, let me choose level. Let's brighten the image. Oh, sorry. Let's brighten the image more. Okay. Then let's go back to the image adjustment, and let's go to color balance. Okay, so I need this bluish, pebble-like pen. Okay, you just want to bring the something like the white out. Okay, it's okay. Now press on Alt, then hit on the max option. Everything is gone. So now we are just coming to paint on the eye to get what we did there. So you choose your brush, then you make sure your foreground color is white. Check your brush size and you paint. So you see we are getting something really nice. Really nice, yeah. Okay, so yeah. And we work on the lips. I think the lips okay. So yeah, that is what we got. So hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the notification bell. Thank you and shikisha.